How do you calculate the number of sellers per product category using Tableau? In this example, I have categories and the number of sellers in each category. I also have a reference line showing the average of those. Let's add a new sheet and see how to do this in Tableau. Let's start by moving category to rows and writing a calculation. So if I create a new calculated field and call it count of seller, let's count D of seller. Click apply. Click apply. Okay. We'll put that count into the view. I get a bar chart of the number of sellers per category. If I want to calculate an average of these three, I'm going to use a level of detail calculation. And create a calculated field. Call it average count of seller. I'm going to fix the count at the category level. So for each category, count the sellers. Click apply. Okay. Let's move that over to detail and set it as average. Now I can right click the axis, add a reference line, and add the average sales. Hope this helps.